Going to youth clubs when I was younger with my friends, keep going there every week, getting positive relationship with youth workers, meeting new people, meeting talented young people, and just coming back every week. It's going on for 7 years. Yeah, and then became doing a youth work course, becoming a youth worker, and getting experience in event planning and management. So yeah, enjoy that.
When I started volunteering, I went from quite a shy guy to just being a friendly, interactive person. By the end of it, I could remember everybody's name, and I can remember, it was good for timekeeping. Just loads of things that you pick up that I don't think, from looking at the education system, you just can't develop through trying to do things in a classroom on a piece of paper. The practicality behind it, I think, is priceless.
Music. Yeah, I was very interested in music, and there were some opportunities to work with a community group called Ministry of Life, and yeah, so I got involved.
The best thing is just the amount of doors volunteering creates, like you can walk through. I mean, the stuff that I've done has been incredible. The one that stands out actually was when I was invited to the NATO summit in Newport in Celtic Manor, where I got to meet President Obama at the time, Chancellor Merkel, all the world leaders. That all came through volunteering.
Planning events, just promoting young people to come to our events and what we do, showing off their talents and getting them recognised for their talents. So that was the best thing. Yeah. And then going abroad, going to Norway to experience childcare, going to Belgium to have that youth exchange with young people and meeting young people abroad and having that relationship still.
Meeting people, because people bring opportunities, and I've met a lot of positive people that brought a lot of positive opportunities my way.